What's up, my fellow Pokemon trainers? DJ here, and today I'm back with another Pokemon card opening. So yeah, just got some extra cards here, out of package because again, it's from my dad's co-workers. Okay. So first card is Hazel. Next card is Poliwrath. Next is Lumora. Next is Torkoal. Next is Farfetch'd. It's not focusing. Next is, oops, sorry about that. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Okay. Next is Crawdont. Crawdont. Okay. Next one is Whirlipede. Next one is Basic Grass Energy. Low focus. 1 second. Okay. Next is Revavroom. Next is Conkeldurr. I don't know. Next is Goldbulb. Next is Slugma. Of course, it's not focusing. Come on. There we go. Next one is Brokey. On. Focus. There we go. 1 second. There we go. Next is Basic Fighting Energy. Next is Excadrill. Next is Roserade. Next is Metagross, which is pretty cool. Next is Grubbin. Next is Eatmore. Next is Basic Psychic Energy. Next is Darmentan. I don't know. Okay, next one is Wug Trio. Okay, next is Starmurray. Next is Zigzagoon. I don't think it fully focused, actually. Hold on. There we go. Next is Meltan. I just thought of an interesting challenge video. Imagine having to play Pokemon, but only with, like, Pokemon you get from opening Pokemon cards. Like, your team is, like, fully made out of, like Pokemon cards you open or something. Basically, like, you play through a normal Pokemon game, right? But your team has to be made from opening Pokemon cards. I wonder if anyone has done that yet. I don't know. Next is, Charcadet. I think that's how you say it. Next is Basic Fighting Energy. I think we already had that, though. Next is Bellswoon. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Next is Patrol Cat. Not fully focused. Can't get enough. Next is Toad's cool. Okay, I think next and the final one is Combi. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like, subscribe, bell icon, so you're missing my videos. Comment, pin, and promote your friends. For my other stuff to do, should be linked in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.